Hello everyone. Welcome to this Creative Fabrica AI class. In this class, I'm going to talk about what AI is and how you can use it on Creative Fabrica's Spark software to generate beautiful images. Okay. First thing you need to do, you have to go to create you have to Google Creative Fabrica up here. Creative Fabrica, you see it here, slash Spark. Okay, let's go enter, and then you will go here. You will see here, you have to open an account with Creative Fabrica, and you have to I'm going to log in really quick. Log in, and then you come here. If you pay for this for the Spark, to use the Spark, you will have Spark on your menu up here. Okay, and we will go in. You go to create art. We're going to create some art. Okay, let me tell you what is here. Here you have to put in some words, some text, and the text that you put in here, you put them, you put comma, you write them down and stuff. You can run them in the system through AI. AI will gather everything that you put, every information that you put together, and they will create the image for you. And here are the skills that the ratio skills. You can do one by one, like your image. If one side is 3 inch, the other side will also be 3 inch, like that. You can do a 9 by 16. So here's 9 inch and here's 16 inch, like really tall images. You can do 2 by 3, 2 by 3 inch. If here is 2 inch, here is 3 inch, like 4 by 5. If here is 4 inch, here is 5 inch. You see, in a rectangle, like a flat rectangle, 3 inch and 2 inch, 16 inch and 9 inch. So in this ratio, you can design images. Most of us go for the one by one because it's like a square. You, I do one by one all the time. Okay, but you need to choose how you want your image to be. If you wanted 19 by 16, you see your image will be like that. So I chose one by one. Okay, that's how your images will show. The next thing you're going to do, you have to gather some words. Let me tell you, most uh, artists on here, they protect they hide their prompts. The prompts are the words that you put in here. They hide their prompts, so you can't copy their prompts to have the same kind of images that they have. They don't want you to see their prompts because they they want people to download only their images. So that's fair. So you have to go and build prompts, like, and find prompts. So you have to go and use your English vocabulary, like descriptive vocabulary, words to describe something. For instance, if you want to create a girl, you're not gonna say, I want you're gonna put in a girl and a girl will come. A girl will come, but how do you want the girl to look? You want her to be cute. You want her to be smiling and stuff. You're going to put like a outward appearance in it. What you want the girl to wear, her personality, how you want her hair to be, or what else? How you want the image to look, hyper realistic. Do you want it to be in watercolors like here? Do you want it to be a short girl, a tall girl, a skinny girl, a fat girl, all those things you need to go back to your creative, descriptive vocabulary of things. I hope you understand what I mean. So here you're going to describe, in here you're going to describe how you want your image to be. Okay. Okay, after that, you can describe whatever you want for the AI, for the system. But the system, like internet, has all the information that you want. But let's say this, the Ignite thing here. After you write everything, you click Ignite, and then it will go and search everything for you and bring back for you the things that you ask. Okay, but how can I say? They are existing artists, like people that draw a certain way, and if you want your image to be in the liking of that certain person, you have to put that person name in your prompts. Most of the time, we put it to the back, like here. You see, I put here Mark Brooks. I put everything here, and I put Mark Brooks in the back because when I post it online, I don't want people to copy me. But today I'm going to show you everything. So if you want your image to look like a certain artist online, like a popular artist, you will put their name in it. Okay. But now you think, I don't know these artists. I'm going to show you where you can find all these artists and their name and the way they draw and everything. Okay.